we will show you how to create transitions in DaVinci Resolve. First, go to the Edit Layout and drag your first video to the timeline. Use the middle mouse button to drag it closer to the left. Add the second video and snap it to the end of the first video. Select the first video and drag the playhead to where you want the transition effect to start. From the top, select Effects, then under Toolbox, click the Video Transitions tab. Find your desired transition, then right-click it, and select Add to selected edit points and clips. To set the transition's length, grab its edge to the left or to the right as follows. As you may see, it will add transition to the start of the video. To delete it, click inside it and press Delete. All done. Please subscribe